In today's video, we are going to cover how to record cash sales in QuickBooks. From your QuickBooks Online dashboard, begin by selecting the plus Create button. This opens the menu where new transactions are entered. Since this sale has already been completed and payment has already been received, choose Sales Receipt. That opens the form used to record a cash sale directly without creating a separate invoice first. In the Customer field, select the customer or client connected to the sale. If the customer is already in your list, choose that existing name so the transaction stays connected to the right record. This helps keep your sales history organized and makes later reporting more accurate. Next, move to the section where you add what was sold. Select the products or services from your item list. Each line should match the items included in the completed sale. If more than one product or service was sold, enter each one on its own line so the receipt reflects the transaction clearly. After the items are in place, enter the quantity and the rate for each product or service. Quantity shows how many units were sold, and rate shows the price for each one. QuickBooks will use those details to calculate the line amounts and build the total on the sales receipt. If the sale includes a discount, enter that information in the discount area provided. If tax applies, enter the appropriate tax information as well. This part matters because it affects the final amount on the receipt, so check that the discount and tax details match the actual sale before moving on. Once the item and pricing details are complete, go to the Payment Method field and select Cash. This identifies how the customer paid and make sure the receipt is recorded correctly as a cash sale. Then enter the amount received in the Amount Received field. Make sure the amount entered reflects what was actually collected for this transaction. Before saving, review the full sales receipt. Look over the customer name, the products or services listed, the quantity and rate on each line, and any discount or tax information. Then confirm that the total is correct and that the payment information shows cash with the proper amount received. This final review helps avoid posting a receipt with an incorrect total or payment entry. When everything looks correct, select Save and Close. QuickBooks will record the transaction and return you to the previous screen. At that point, the completed cash sale is entered in your books using a sales receipt tied to the selected customer and payment method. Thanks for watching. The cash sale is now recorded in QuickBooks as a saved sales receipt.